Hakajialang Business Advisory Committee BAC ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kapala penlong hakakat lai terigunai lar arja arpusan kala syamya kerai ban penlong ya ke dorbar senrai jong ke yang dorbar thawan ke jela nadu ke pra terigunai lur arja arpusan hadu ke khat ar terigunai lur arja arpusan bad yakane la pentip daw Thomas A Sangma ulampang ke yang dorbar thawan Hakani kejialang kabala penyat daw Thomas A Sangma laidan bentalang daw sembut menteri rangba kajala uba Preston Tensong ubadairu menteri ubadai kmi ya ketanat Parliamentary Affairs u Dr. Mukul Sangma unoilam kaliang persya ubalasyam bentaling ba ka video conference natura ki MLA bekentup yo ba Charles Pingrove baru ba Lakman Remboi nalor kiwe pat Habakran sigilat pathai kubor u Thomas A Sangma ula pentip hakani ke dorbar laisngi kandai na kebenta ke government business but arsngi pat na kebenta ke private members business.
BAC meeting, Business Advisory Committee meeting to chalk out the calendar for the coming autumn session, and the meeting went very well. It was attended by all the members, though one of the members, the leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, took part in the meeting online from a virtual meeting. He joined from Tura, DC's office. The BAC meeting had already unanimously approved the calendar for the autumn session, which will commence from 8 September and end on 12 September, which is a 5 days session starting from Monday, 8 September, and finishing on 12 September, which is Friday. So we have 3 government business, 3 days government business and 2 days private members business. We were told that there will be less of government businesses, especially SDs, and demand for grants will be not much. So it was agreed upon by the committee to have 5 working days of this assembly session.
So the opposition is happy with the number of days and hours, because usually when it comes to assembly, there are always concerns raised.
Yes, yeah, he agreed. We all agreed unanimously. There was no dissentment from any one of the members.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya